We fill our time trying to remember everything. Our attention is split in a dozen directions. One key forgotten, one message missed, one card stolen. It all comes to a crashing halt. We lose focus on how to organize the simple things in life. But now, with Lumzag, the world's smartest and most innovative backpack, we can finally feel at ease and focus on doing what we love. Hi, I'm David, and I'm always on the hunt for innovative ways to stay organized and be on the road to success. And that's why I always choose the best. Lumzag is designed to make your life easier, smarter, and more secure. So let's take a closer look. Every day in our backpacks, we carry our most important belongings. And if you happen to leave something behind, the Lumzag app will notify you immediately. We all know how stressful it can be to misplace your backpack. Now, you will never lose it. Lumzag's real-time GPS tracker always gives you peace of mind, showing you the exact location of your backpack, regardless of how far away it is, even if you leave your backpack behind or if it's stolen. In today's urban jungle, you always need an extra pair of eyes watching your back. Lumzag's rear view camera helps you to see what's going on around you in real time. Also, your smart backpack will always keep you connected even while traveling. The built-in Wi-Fi hotspot will allow you to access the internet without roaming charges in any part of the globe. The Lumzag team is convinced that being secure is one of the main components of being at ease, which is Lumzag's main mission. When Lumzag is in security mode, it will keep any potential thieves away from your stuff. Many of us are constantly worrying about losing our backpacks or getting pickpocketed. The anti-theft feature is designed to prevent stress and give you peace of mind. If your backpack is open, or the distance between you and your backpack is too far, then you are notified with a message. Never worry about the safety of your belongings, even if you're in a public place. All of these functions are supported by Lumzag's TSA-approved, lightweight, removable smart box, ensuring a full day's charge for all of your devices. Lumzag allows you to charge your smartphone, tablet, and laptop simultaneously. The wireless charging pocket allows you to charge your phone on the go without slowing you down. Lumzag is where perfection and innovation meet. Get rid of stress with the most innovative backpack. Lumzag makes your life easier, smarter, and more secure, and it solves almost all of your everyday problems. Okay, all of your problems.
When we don't speak the same language, communication is not easy. TRAGL detects the voices in the conversation with its front microphone, recognizing the language and translating it through the earbud. When you're speaking, TRAGL recognizes your language through the front mic and plays the translation into the other language through the front speaker, so only one person has to wear the device. Luckily, we've been working on a live translator that will solve all of these problems. TRAGL, the global translator. The first hands-free live translator for automatic two-way communication. But how is it different from the others? TRAGL is not intrusive. TRAGL recognizes the voice of the two people that are having a conversation and discards other voices around. It even has a noise-canceling technology that deletes any interferences from the environment. You don't need a data plan or Wi-Fi for most languages. TRAGL comes with everything built in. You'll just need a mobile device to set up the pair of languages you want to use, and you're good to go. When the other person talks, their voice gets recognized by my front microphone that translates it through my earbud.
你不再需要麻烦任何人，这是最好的部分。
You don't need to bother anyone, and this is the best part. It's only you in control.
3 years of a design and engineering process has led us to develop a perfect fit for people all over the world trying to get through conversations in a foreign language. It's been a journey of many prototypes, designs, and materials, resulting in a live translating, hands-free device. It all gets logged through the TRAGL app, where you can control any part of the process if you need to.
We've been testing the technology, hardware and software, and we're ready to start the process of manufacturing. But we need your help to make it happen. If you are like me and like to travel, learn from other cultures and, more specifically, close the best deals, this is what we made this device for. With your backing, we'll start the production of the devices in Europe and we'll send them to you for the best price we can ever offer. It's time we forget about language and engage in communication.
What you're about to witness is a typical team meeting with the meeting owl. Meet Jane, who's running the meeting. And here's Morgan, who's attending the meeting from 100 miles away. However, despite the distance, she feels like she's right there in the room with the team, thanks to the meeting owl. A 360-degree conferencing camera that sits in the center of the table and gives your remote folks a more inclusive experience. If you've ever used a webcam before, you know how to use the meeting owl. All Jane has to do is plug in the power and the USB and load up her favorite video conferencing platform. Then, kick off your meeting, and the 360 camera will automatically focus on whoever is talking. You also get a panorama at the top so you can see the whole room. Above all else, you need to be able to hear everybody. And everyone hears Morgan loud and clear through the 360 speaker.
That sounds perfect. I'm ready to make it happen.
Great. You want to get us started?
Of course.
If this team were using another camera, Morgan's experience would have been pretty terrible. She wouldn't be able to see whoever's talking, or she might be stuck staring at the back of someone's head. Or it'd even be impossible to figure out what the heck is going on. And we all know meetings crowded around a laptop are the worst. No one wants that. Jane made the right choice. The meeting owl changes everything. And there's something else that makes the meeting owl pretty special. It connects to Wi-Fi. That means you get new features automatically over time, like meeting analytics on your smartphone. The meeting owl helps everyone. Better, more inclusive meetings for all your teammates, both in the office and remote. Meeting owl, because every teammate deserves a seat at the table.